Today we have this geometry question in which we are given three large congruent circles. These are the three large congruent circles. Inside these three large congruent circles, there are four more congruent circles. These four circles are congruent to each other and they have radius 1. Okay. And what do we need to do? We need to find this shaded area. Let's see how we can find this shaded area. So first of all, let's find the radius of these three large circles. As you can see, these are four congruent circles. So definitely this will be the center of the large circle. And if I draw a straight line like this will become the radius of the large circle, which will be 1 plus 1 equals to 2. Yes. So 2 will be the radius of large circle. Large circle radius will be 2. Yes. And what is the radius of small circle? That is 1. Correct. Now, this question seems to be a little tricky if we look at these shaded regions differently. But if you look carefully, these shaded regions are also congruent to each other. That means this one and this one are same to each other. This one and this one are equal to each other or same to each other. So if we look at them differently, it becomes difficult to find the shaded area. But if I shift this one to the first circle and I shift this red one to the first circle, then it becomes easy to find the shaded area. Let's see how. So first of all, I will shift this red one to the first circle and see what we will get. Now, since we have shifted this area here, this will become white. Yes, this will become non-shaded. Now, similarly, we will shift this area that is indicated by this yellow arrow into the first circle. Now, since we have shifted this here, this will become non-shaded. So we will make it non-shaded. Now, if you look at this question becomes very, very easy. We need to find the shaded area, correct? So it becomes very easy to find this shaded area now. Let's find this shaded area. So area of shaded region will be area of one large circle, that is pi r square. Radius for large circle is 2 square minus 2 small circle area, that is 2 times pi r square. R radius for small circle is 1. So let's see what we will get. We will get 4 pi and here we will get 2 pi. Yes. So the shaded region will be equals to 2 pi. This will be our final answer. Shaded region is 2 pi.